Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am going to explain 7th class 3rd chapter 3.4 exercise. First problem. Find the height of the statue from the adjacent diagram. So first observe the diagram. So from the diagram, the height of the statue, so that is BC, that is equal to x meters. So the height of the statue, that is equal to x meters. So in diagram total height is given. Total height nothing but AC. So AC it is equal to 3.6 meters. A total height that is equal to a PC plus AB. So that is equal to 3.6 meters. So BC is the height of the statue. So that is x plus. So AB height is given 1.9 meters. So that is equal to 3.6 meters. Now find the x value. So x it is equal to 3.6 meters minus 1.9 meters. So that is equal to, subtract 3.6 and 1.9, you will get 1.7 meters. So the height of the statue that is equal to 1.7 meters. So height of that is equal to 1.7 meters. So height of the statue that is equal to 1.7 meters. So this is solution for 3.4 exercise first problem. Next problem, second one. The sum of twice of a number and 4 is 80. Find the number. So in the problem, which number should be we find? Consider the number, it is equal to x. So let the number be x. So twice of a number. So twice of a number that is equal to 2 into x. So in the problem, the sum of a twice of a number and 4 is 80. So first add sum. So in the problem, the sum of twice of a number and 4 is 80. So the sum of is 80. So that is twice of a number is the 2x and add 4. So that is plus 4, that is equal to 80. So now find the x value. So first remove plus 4 by subtracting both sides. Subtract both sides by 4. 2x plus 4 minus 4, it is equal to 80 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So 2x it is equal to 76. Next remove 2 by dividing both sides by 2. Divide by 2 on both sides. Two x by 2, that is equal to 76 by 2. Numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. So 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16. So finally the x value equal to 38. So x equal to 38 is solution for given problem. Next problem, third one. The difference between a number and 1/4 of itself is 24. Find the number. So in the problem, which number should be we find? Consider the number be x. So let the number be x. The difference between a number and 1/4 of a number itself is 24. So first find 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of a number, that is equal to 1/4 nothing but 1/4 of x. So that is equal to 1/4 into x. So that is equal to x by 4. Now from the problem, the difference between a number and 1/4 of a number itself is 24. Difference of a number and 1/4 of a number it is equal to 24. So that is number equal to x minus 1/4 of a number, that is equal to x by 4, that is equal to 24. So that is equal to x into 4 becomes 4x minus x divided by 4, that is equal to 24. 4x minus x becomes 3x by 4, that is equal to 24. So in the simple equation, find the x value. From this 3x, that is equal to 4, it is moving to right side, multiplication 24 into 4. 24 into 4 multiply, you will get 96. So 3x, that is equal to 96. So find the x value. 3x equal to 96. Now remove 3 by dividing both sides by 3. Divide by 3 on both sides. Three x by 3, that is equal to 96 by 3. Numerator 3, denominator 3 cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6. So finally x equal to 32. So x equal to 32 is solution for given problem. Next problem, fourth one. Find the value of x from the adjacent diagram. So this is x. So first consider this point to this point, the distance, that is AB. So the distance x is considered CD. So the distance 5 centimeters is EF. So from the diagram, the AB distance is equal to 12 centimeters. AB equal to 12 centimeters. And distance CD equal to x. CD equal to x. So and EF distance equal to 5 centimeters. EF distance equal to 5 centimeters. So in the bottom given, the total distance, that is 24 centimeters. So that is AB plus CD plus EF. The total distance, that is equal to 24 centimeters. So now AB distance, that is equal to 12 centimeters. Substitute here 12 centimeters plus CD is x plus EF equal to 5 centimeters. That is equal to 24 centimeters. Now add 12 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So 17 centimeters plus x, that is equal to 24 centimeters. So find the x value by removing 17. Subtract 17 on both sides. Plus 17 and x minus 17, that is equal to 24 minus 17. Plus 17 minus 17 equal to 0. So remaining x equal to 24 minus 17. It becomes 7 centimeters. So the distance x equal to 7. So the distance x equal to 7 centimeters. Next problem, fifth one. To convert temperature from Fahrenheit to centigrade, we use the formula F minus 32 it is equal to 9 by 5 into C. If C equal to minus 40 degrees centigrade, then find F. So first write given formula. F minus 32 that is equal to 9 by 5 into C. So in the problem given where C equal to minus 40 degrees centigrade. Now substitute C equal to minus 40 degrees here. F minus 32 that is equal to 9 by 5 into C is minus 40. So denominator 5. So 5 1 ja 5 8 ja 40. So that is equal to 9 into minus 8. So F minus 32 that is equal to 9 into minus 8. 9 into minus 8 becomes minus 72. So F minus 32. So now find the F value by removing minus 32. Add both sides by plus 32. Add 32 on both sides. F minus 32 plus 32 that is equal to minus 72 plus 32. Minus 32 plus 32 equal to 0. So finally F equal to minus 72 plus 32 that is equal to minus 40. So finally the F value equal to minus 40. So this is solution for fifth one. Next problem, sixth one. Rahim has X rupees from which he spends 6 rupees. If piece of money left with him is 86 rupees, then find X. So in the problem given Rahim amount that is equal to X rupees. So write that Rahim has money. Rahim has money that is equal to X rupees. So which he spends only 6 rupees. So Rahim spends amount. Rahim spends amount that is equal to 6 rupees. So after spending amount 6 rupees, Rahim left amount that is equal to Rahim left money after spending that is equal to a total money X minus spending amount is 6 rupees. So X minus 6. So in the problem given twice of the money left with him that is equal to 86 rupees. So twice the money left with Rahim that is equal to 86 rupees. So that is money left amount is X minus 6. So twice means 2 times. 2 into X minus 6 that is equal to 86 rupees. So in the simple equation find X value. So remove remaining all terms. First remove 2 by dividing 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. 2 into X minus 6 by 2 that is equal to 86 by 2. Numerator 2 denominator 2 cancel. So remaining X minus 6 that is equal to 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8 2 3 ja 6. So 43. So X minus 6 equal to 43. So remove minus 6 also by adding plus 6 on both sides. Add 6 on both sides. x minus 6 plus 6, that is equal to 43 plus 6, minus 6 plus 6 equal to 0. So finally x value equal to 43 plus 6 equal to 49. So x equal to 49 is solution for this problem. Next problem, 7th one. The difference between two numbers is 7. 6 times the smaller plus larger is 77. Find the number. So first consider the smaller number be x. So let x. So let the smaller number be x. So then the larger number. So that is equal to x plus 7. So larger number equal to x plus 7. Why? Because so here given the difference between two numbers is 7. So smaller number is 7. Then for the larger number we should add plus 7. So larger number it is equal to x plus 7. So next 6 times the smaller plus larger is 77. So 6 times the smaller is 6 times the smaller plus larger is 77. So that is 6 times the smaller is 6x plus larger number is x plus 7. So x plus 7. So that is equal to 77. 6x plus x becomes 7x plus 7, that is equal to 77. So in this simple equation find x value. So first remove 7 by subtract both sides by 7. Subtract 7 on both sides. Seven x plus 7 minus 7, that is equal to 77 minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So remaining 7x equal to 77 minus 7 becomes 70. So now remove 7 by dividing both sides by 7. Divide by 7 on both sides. Divide by 7 on both sides. 7x by 7, that is equal to 70 by 7. Numerator 7, denominator 7 cancel. 7 1 ja, 7 10 ja, 70. So finally x equal to 10. So x is a smaller number. The smaller number that is equal to 10. So larger number that is equal to x plus 7. So that is equal to 10 plus 7 equal to 17. So larger number equal to 17. So this is solution for 7th problem. Next problem, 8th one. The sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 54. Find the numbers. So first consider the even numbers are. So let the 3 consecutive even numbers are 2x, 2x plus 2 and 2x plus 4. So here why we are taking 2x is the first even number. So because of all even numbers are multiples of 2. So consider the first even number equal to 2x. So by adding 2 we will get second even number. So by adding 4 we will get third even number. So next in the problem given the sum equal to 54. So the sum of 3 consecutive even numbers is 54. So that is first number is 2x plus second number 2x plus 2 plus third number 2x plus 4. So that is equal to 54. So here add all variable terms 2x and 2x equal to 4x, 4x plus 2x, that is 6x. Here add all variables 2x plus 2x equal to 4x, 4x plus 2x becomes 6x. So 6x plus 2 plus 4 becomes 6. So 6 it is equal to 54. So in this simplification find x value, remove remaining all terms. So remove 6 by subtract 6 on both sides. Subtract 6 on both sides. Six x plus 6 minus 6 it is equal to 54 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So 6x it is equal to 54 minus 6 equal to 48. So now remove 6 by dividing both sides by 6. Divide by 6 on both sides. Six x by 6 it is equal to 48 by 6. Numerator 6, denominator 6 cancel. 6 1 6 8 48. So now x equal to 8. Now find all three numbers. So first number it is equal to 2x. So 2 into 8 it is equal to 16. So first number equal to 16. Next second number, that is equal to 2x plus 2. 2x equal to 16 plus 2 add, so that is equal to 18. So second number equal to 18. So next third number it is equal to 2x plus 4. So that is equal to 2x equal to 16, 16 plus 4 equal to 20. So that three numbers are 16, 18 and 20. So this is solution for 8th problem. Next problem, 9th one. In a class of 48 students, the number of girls is 1/3 of number of boys. The number of girls and boys in the class. So first to write, in the problem given, the total number of students equal to 48 students. 48. Total students in a class equal to 48 students. So in the problem, the number of girls is 1/3 of number of boys. So girls is compared with the number of boys. So first consider the number of boys equal to x. Let the number of boys it is equal to x. So now the number of girls it is equal to, so in the problem given 1/3 of number of boys, 1/3 of number of boys, so that is equal to, so total boys are x, so 1/3 nothing but x by 3. So the number of girls equal to x by 3. So total number of students are equal to 48. So girls plus boys total strength that is equal to 48. So girls are x by 3 plus boys are equal to x. So that is equal to 48. Solve this simple equation. So x plus 3 into x becomes 3x by 3, that is equal to 48. So from this x plus 3x that is equal to 3, it is moving to right side multiplication, so 48 into 3. So x plus 3x, it becomes 4x, it is equal to 3 into 48 multiply 48 into 3, that is equal to 144. Now simplify x value, so x equal to 144 by 4, 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 12, 4 6 ja 24. So finally x equal to 36. So x is a number of boys. So the number of boys 36. So girls equal to x by 3. So that is equal to 36 by 3. It becomes 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, so 12. So number of girls, that is equal to 12. So this is solution for 9th problem. Next problem, 10th one. The present ages of Mary and Joseph are in the ratio 5:3. After 3 years, the sum of their ages will be 38. Find their present ages. So in the problem given, present ages of Mary and Joseph, that is equal to 5:3. So given present ages, of Mary and Joseph ratio, that is equal to 5:3. So let Mary age, that is equal to, so here the Mary, that is equal to 5 part, so consider Mary age equal to 5x. So next Joseph age, that is equal to, so here Joseph is 3 parts, so consider Joseph age, that is equal to 3x. So in the problem given, after 3 years, the sum of their ages will become 38. So after 3 years, ages will be, so 5x plus 3 and 3x plus 3. So after 3 years, the Joseph age is 5x plus 3. So after 3 years, Mary age is 5x plus 3, Joseph age is 3x plus 3. So after 3 years, their ages is equal to 38. So that is 5x plus 3 plus 3x plus 3, that is equal to 38. So add variables, 5x plus 3x becomes 8x, plus 3 and plus 3, it becomes plus 6, that is equal to 38. So from this simplify x value, so 8x equal to 38, 6 it is moving to right side, minus 6, so it is equal to 32. So this is 8x value. Find the x value, so x equal to 32 by 8, so 8 1 ja 8 4 ja, so it is equal to 4. So x equal to 4. So in the problem they are asking find their ages. So Mary age, Mary present age, so Mary present age we are considering here 5x, so 5x, so that is equal to 5 into 4 equal to 20. So Mary age equal to 20 years. So next Joseph age, Joseph present age, so Joseph age we are considering here 3x, so 3x equal to 3 into 4, so that is equal to 12. Okay students, thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.